Welcome to the Lunar Canyon located in Kazakhstan. This otherworldly landscape, often referred to as Uzunbulak Canyon or Moon Canyon, is a breathtaking testament to the power of nature. As one embarks on a journey through this natural wonder, they're all transported to a new world beyond imagination. The canyon's unique rock formations, sculpted by centuries of erosion, create a mesmerizing tapestry of colors and shapes. The vibrant hues of the rocks, ranging from deep reds and oranges to soft yellows and browns, paint a stunning picture against the backdrop of the clear blue sky. The expansive vistas offer endless opportunities for breathtaking views. Whether you are an avid photographer or simply seeking a peaceful escape, the Lunar Canyon has something to offer to everyone. The well-maintained hiking trails wind through the canyon, providing easy access to its many wonders. As one traverses the well-maintained hiking trails that wind through the canyon, they'll be greeted by the sounds of nature, chirping birds, rustling leaves, and the gentle flow of nearby streams. The tranquility of the environment invites moments of reflection and introspection. The gentle sounds of nature, such as the chirping of birds and the rustling of leaves, create a soothing ambience that can help you unwind and recharge. The Lunar Canyon is a place where time seems to stand still. It's a place where you can connect with nature, appreciate its beauty, and find inner peace.